You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more food names, brand names as well that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. A restaurant, food chain company, Bojangles, Bojangles, fried chicken. I think they're famous for fried chicken, are they? Let me know in the comments. Bojangles, how to pronounce Bojangles. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.